Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable two-factor authentication code or get it in KuCoin. So first of all, just open it and then you have to hover your mouse to your profile picture or this icon here, and then you can see this option account security. Just simply tap on it and it will take you on this page here. And now you can see these options. You just have to simply tap on this Google verification. I already enabled it, but you will see this option here linked. You have to tap on it and you can simply tap on this change here, and then what you have to do is you have to tap on this next button. So now you will see this kind of interface. You can copy this address and you can paste it in your Google Authenticator, or you can simply scan through your Google Authenticator from your mobile, and then after entering the code you just have to enter your 6-digit code you are seeing on your Google Authenticator, and then you have to enter the code, and after that your two-factor authentication will be enabled on KuCoin. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.